Once known as a pioneer in the wind energy industry, Suzlon Energy quickly became a wealth destroyer for investors. However, the stock has seen a rebound, giving multi-bagger returns just over the last 6 months, rising about 245%. And in this video, we will understand why. So Suzlon is a big player in India's renewable energy game, especially when it comes to wind projects. They're all about designing, developing and making wind turbine generators. Now Suzlon's journey has been like a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs and loops. They've faced their fair share of challenges, some from their own decisions and some from external factors. Now the number one problem for Suzlon was leverage. The business ran into financial troubles as it incurred more and more debt to finance its operations and by making acquisitions. So let's understand the story of Suzlon through its debt. Between fiscal year 4 to fiscal year 8, the company had massive ambitions. It raised money, expanded capacities, and acquired companies. The company also forayed into international markets, entering the US and Chinese markets. It acquired Hansen Transmission and also acquired Senvion, a German wind turbine manufacturing company. Now, notably, all these acquisitions were financed through debt. On the back of this, Suzlon's debt soared from a mere 2.4 billion rupees to about 100 billion rupees in fiscal year 8. And then the global financial crisis happened. The global market took a hit, with wind installations both domestically and globally going down. So did Suzlon's business, which led to the company making losses and defaulting on loans. The debt kept ballooning, hitting 178 billion rupees in fiscal year 15. The company then exited its international business and started focusing on the domestic market. It also divested Senvion and other known core assets, and these timely deals helped the company pay off debt. This led to the debt decline to about 111 billion rupees in fiscal year 17. The company then started to focus more on the domestic markets and core operation, and after a dull period witnessed during the financial crisis, domestic markets started to look up, with wind installations seeing a rise. Now along the way, the company also launched some innovative products in the market, capturing a greater market share. Now just when things seemed to be looking up for Suzlon, they faced another setback, and this came from external forces. India suddenly shifted gears, moving away from the feed-in tariff regime for wind projects to a reverse bidding mechanism. Now in this new setup, developers had to bid on the cost. The catch: some developers went a bit wild with their bids in the auctions, leading to project stalling and the domestic wind market taking a hit. Now Suzlon felt the pinch, reporting losses from fiscal year 18 to fiscal year 22 due to the wind market slowdown and high debt levels. To weather the storm, Suzlon opted for another round of debt restructuring, converting a big chunk of its debt into equity. This move saw their debt drop to around 63 billion rupees in fiscal year 22 and to about 19 billion rupees in fiscal year 23. Fast forward to today, and there is a positive twist in the tale. Indian policymakers decided to scrap the reverse auctions and make significant amendments to the wind energy policy. They ditched the reverse auctions, which hampered the industry growth, and introduced wind-specific renewable purchase obligations. Now they're also planning to auction a whopping 10 gigawatts per annum. In comparison, the average capacity awarded in wind energy project auctions from fiscal year 18 to fiscal year 23 was just a mere 2.9 gigawatt per annum. Now all these policy changes are turning out to be a game changer for Suzlon. With India riding the wave of opportunities in renewable energy, the company is benefiting from various favorable industry trends and the government's push towards renewables. Now, holding a significant 32% market share in the wind segment, Suzlon has become a go-to player in this industry. The company has also won major orders every month in the last couple of months. Suzlon also became the first Indian energy company to reach 20 gigawatts of worldwide wind energy installations. It also secured a major order of 300 megawatts from the Torrent Power Limited. Now with all the good things happening, it looks like Suzlon has left its money problems behind and is starting fresh, riding on industry tailwinds. That's why the company's shares are also doing well. Also, CRISIL upgraded Suzlon Energy Limited's ratings by 2 levels to BBB+ with a positive outlook. Suzlon Energy will also now be part of the S&P BSE Power Index. And just last month, Morgan Stanley Capital International included Suzlon in its MSCI Global Standard Index. Now, all of these factors have also contributed to the rally. Having said that, do know the video is merely meant for education purposes. It does not constitute financial advice. This is me, Merlin Sana, signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com.